All right, what about when there's a double bond? So again, we start with step 1. Count valence electrons. Carbon has 4 valence electrons. Oxygen has 6 valence electrons, but there's 2 oxygens. So we're going to multiply that number by 2, and we end up adding them together. 12 plus 4 is 16 valence electrons. That's step 1. Step 2, skeletal structure. Carbon, if present, always in the middle. Oxygen's going to go on either side. Skeletal structure. That's step 2. Just bind the atoms together with a single bond. Okay, step 3. Fill the octets. So if we have carbon and oxygen, right, there's no exceptions to the rule here. We're going to fill the octets. So let's start with oxygen. There's 2 electrons there. It needs 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's move on to carbon. Carbon has 2, 4. Needs 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. So a total of 8. This oxygen has 2, needs 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? 7, 8. Filled the octets. All done. Next step, recount valence electrons. So we're going to count the number of valence electrons that are here. So we'll just redraw it just because. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many total are here? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so this number does not match step 1. This tells me we do need step 5. We need to add double or triple bonds. So let's add a double bond between carbon and oxygen. Well, that first one. So this is kind of like going back to the skeletal structure in step 2. This is our new skeletal structure, which means that now we're going to go to step 3 and fill the octets. So this now oxygen has 2, 4, so it only needs 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon now has 6 around it, so it only needs 2 more. This oxygen has 2, needs 6 more. Now, again, fill the octets, we recount valence electrons. So let's recount. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Better, it's closer, but we're not there yet. So let's add another double bond. So now we have a new skeletal structure, which is step 2. Let's go to step 3, fill the octets. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. That carbon's all set. Oxygen, 2, 4, 6, 8. Now we're going to count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. 16 valence electrons. That's the number we started with. This right here is the Lewis structure for carbon dioxide.